Umalma ang aktres na si Nadine Lustre sa naging post ng isang page na kung saan nag-post ng di umano'y sinabi nito. Ang pahayag ay tumutukoy sa mirror trend na ayon kay Nadine ay hindi o wala naman umano siyang natatandaan na sinabi niya. Nakasaad sa post, I started using the mirror method. Di ka nila binate nung birthday mo, don't greet them also. Di ka nila inaya sa gala, wag mo din silang yayain. Di ka nila chinecheck, stop checking on them too. Just give them the same energy they're giving to you. Trust me, life feels light when you do this. Buwelta ni Nadine ay hindi naman niya sinabi ito. Dagdag pa niya, makapag-post lang daw talaga ng content ang page na ito. Baka nga daw sa susunod, sabihing buntis na naman daw siya. Mga chismis vlogs na to, makapag-post lang talaga content eh. Baka sa Q4 buntis na naman ako ha. Di ko nga alam kung ano yung mirror method na yan. Alam ko lang Mirror by M2M. Just my 2 cents on the matter though. I honestly don't believe in mirroring coldness just because someone choose to forget, ignore, or not show up. Para sa akin, hindi mo kailangang suklian ang kakulangan ng iba. Mas mahalaga pa rin na piliin mong maging mabuti kahit walang kapalit. Because kindness isn't for them, it's for your soul. If sinaktan ka and it's gotten to be the point where you no longer speak, still always wish them well. You can cut them off, you don't have to go back, you don't have to reconnect, but you can let go with love. You can walk away without carrying heaviness in your heart. It's not resentment that sets you free. It's the quiet, steady peace of knowing you've already forgiven them. Even if they never ask, you let go not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Take care of your soul, not your ego. Remember, hindi yung kapwa mo yung nagki-keep tabs, it's the universe. So keep choosing light, keep choosing love. That's where true healing lives. Trust me, life is so much better when you do this. Narito naman ang ilan lamang sa naging reaksyon ng netizen kaugnay sa post ni Nadine Lustre. This statement speaks of maturity, healing, having a healthy heart and mindset. You can let people go without thinking ill of them. Spread kindness and love. This is such a powerful reminder. True kindness really comes from within. It's not about what others deserve, but about protecting our own peace. Letting go with love instead of bitterness. Fake strength, but it brings real healing. Thank you for putting this into words. So in the end, don't allow the absence of someone alter your goodness. Remain gentle and kind. That is your strength, not your weakness. Your healing doesn't depend on how they treated you, but on how you choose to respond. Let go with grace and let your peace be your quiet victory.